Hi, here we have a typical question about covering one shape using smaller pieces. Now, sometimes we have one shape and we have multiple smaller pieces, and the question is, can we use these smaller pieces to cover the big shape? Sometimes we have only one smaller piece. In this case, we have one. So the question is, can we use 31 dominoes to cover this shape? Now, this shape is actually a chessboard, which is 8 by 8. So totally we have 64, and we remove the two corners, which means we are left with 62 squares, and we want to cover it with 31 domino pieces. So each of them are two squares, so 31 times 2 is 62, and also we have 62 squares. At first glance, you might say that, okay, we have 62 squares, and here also 31 times 2 is 62. We must be able to cover this shape with these domino pieces. Now, if you try to cover this shape with the domino pieces, you will notice that you cover a lot of it, but probably the last piece that you want to put will not fit, and basically eventually you fail to cover this shape with the domino pieces. Now here I introduce a technique that is very common to answer this type of question, and that is the coloring technique. So what we do is that, let's say we have this chessboard and we are going to color it. Now in this case, the coloring method that we use is typical chessboard coloring, black and white. So normal chessboard here we have black, for example, and then white, white, black, black, white, white, and so on. Now, obviously, in this case, these two pieces are removed, so we do not have these two blacks. Now, if I take any of these domino pieces, let's say I take this one and I move it here, what you notice is that one white and one black is covered. If I take it here, again, one white and one black, one white and one black, one white, one black. So wherever I want to put this vertical domino piece, it covers one white and one black. And if I use the other one horizontal, it's the same way. One white, one black. Okay? So we know that by using these dominoes, every piece that we put, it covers one white, one black. So totally we have 31, which means if we use these dominoes, we will cover 31 black and 31 white. However, if you count the number of black and white in this shape, you notice that, yeah, totally we have 64. Two of them are removed and these two are black. So basically we have 32 white and 30 black. But we said that if we want to cover this, we would need 31 white and 31 black. But currently we have 32 white and 30 black. So this means that it is impossible to cover this shape with 31 dominoes. Basically, this is the end of the proof. We have shown that covering the shape with dominoes is not possible. This technique, obviously, you can use it to answer similar type of questions. So the technique that we discussed today is to learn and master coloring techniques to prove that certain shapes cannot be covered with a specific type of nails. All right. Thank you very much. See you next time. Bye.